This is something that party hosts are always shocked about when we tell them about it, but once we do, their surprise quickly turns into delight as they realize how much time that they can save when planning a cocktail menu. To ensure a diverse and a satisfying drink selection, we recommend building our client's menu around these 4 core categories. If you haven't noticed already, these 4 pillars are inspired by the old wedding theme: something old, something new, something borrowed, and something blue. And what have we come up with, you ask? Well, it's something tart, something light, something strong, and something bright. Our tart drink, a daisy, is for those guests who love the natural flavors of fresh fruit and prefer a not-so-sweet palate. Crafted with a delightful blend of spirits and hand-selected fruit liqueurs, purees, and syrups, and citrus, it delivers a zesty burst of flavor that's simply irresistible. For guests seeking a lower alcohol content, or even just like a lighter palate, our light drink, which could be a spritzer, is the ideal choice. This cocktail typically features sparkling wine, fruit juices, and a delicate spirit. They're perfect for any type of daytime event or even as an aperitif. And they also pair very well with food and boast about half of the alcohol content of a standard glass of wine. For the cocktail connoisseur, our strong drink, an old-fashioned, delivers a robust and complex flavor profile. Crafted with only high-quality spirits and minimal ingredients, these drinks are perfect for those who appreciate classic cocktails, and this is the perfect selection for those who treasure quality drinks without all the unnecessary fuss. Finally, for the guests who enjoy invigorating and bold flavors, our bright drink, which could be a mule, a tonic, or a highball, is the ultimate pick-me-up, infused with variants of different herbs and spices, and paired with a fizzy non-alcoholic mixer. It promises to be a refreshing experience that's bursting with lively sensations.